She said it was some funny shit.
We're walking out in Lake Belton. Nikki wants to roll down that hill. Like, we would roll down that hill, hit this ledge, go airborne, and fly into the rock. And he still wants to do it.
So I feel about. Oh my god, I actually broke in half. Well,
that is sexy. No, I'm gonna put it on my MeTube channel.
Okay. Okay.
Nikki just tripped. I'll have to pee. Look at this pretty tree.
Yeah, this is the most boring video ever.
It's my grandpa.
That
would be pretty fun.
It starts another earthquake in Japan.
Look at these trees. Those are some nice trees.
Yeah, those are nice trees.
You're a squirrel.
That's a bird. Oh, what the hell? What was that? Oh.
Oh snap.
That's chicken check. Training for the Olympics.
The eye of the tiger. The caption just says manly. What?
This is really uphill. Isn't even like I'm just half kidding uphill. This is like. This hill is just a joke.
No complaining about how hard it is.
Look at what we just climbed.
Okay. Push me again, I dare you. Children.
You afraid you're gonna die on this bridge, Nikki? Look at all this nature. That's some nature right there. For the public who could not hear that, he just farted. I have to pee. Walmart.